Hello, let me introduce myself. I am Claudia Melati SITUMORANG. From MNJ23B. I want to explain our present material about risk management. Compliance and legal in risk management. Ensuring accountability and resilience in today's complex business environment. Managing risk is not limited to operational or financial challenges. It also entails a thorough understanding of compliance and legal issues. Organizations must navigate a myriad of laws, regulations, and internal policies to sustain their operations and uphold stakeholder trust. This essay explores the integral roles of compliance and legal frameworks within risk management, detailing their importance, implementation, and impact on organizational integrity and resilience. The role of compliance in risk management. Compliance refers to the adherence to laws, regulations, guidelines, and specifications relevant to a business. In the context of risk management, compliance serves as both a proactive and reactive strategy. Proactively, it requires organizations to institute policies and procedures that align with statutory and regulatory expectations, thereby preventing legal breaches or unethical practices. Reactively, a robust compliance framework allows for a rapid and effective response to any failures that might occur, limiting potential damage. A well-structured compliance program involves several elements. Policy development and implementation. Organizations must develop clear, accessible policies that outline legal and regulatory responsibilities. These policies function as a blueprint for internal conduct, creating consistency in decision-making and actions. Training and awareness. Regular training programs ensure that employees understand the legal implications of their work and the importance of compliance. This educational process reduces inadvertent breaches and fosters an ethical culture. Monitoring and auditing. Continuous monitoring and periodic auditing help detect deviations from established standards. Internal audits, combined with third-party assessments, enable organizations to identify and address weaknesses in their compliance architecture. Reporting mechanisms. Confidential reporting channels, such as whistleblower programs, empower employees to report suspected violations without fear of retaliation, further strengthening the organization's accountability. Legal risk management. Navigating the regulatory landscape. Legal risk management focuses on identifying, assessing, and mitigating risks that arise from potential legal actions, regulatory scrutiny, or non-compliance. Legal risks can stem from various sources such as contractual disputes, intellectual property issues, employment law challenges, and breaches of environmental or safety regulations. Due to their potential to cause significant financial and reputational damage, legal risks require focused strategies for prevention and resolution. Key components of legal risk management include risk identification. Organizations must continuously analyze their operations, contracts, and business relationships to identify areas where legal risks may exist. This process often involves the collaboration between legal, compliance, and risk management teams. Legal due diligence. Prior to entering agreements or partnerships, thorough due diligence is essential. This involves assessing the legal standing, contractual obligations, and potential liabilities associated with the other party. Contract management. Effective contract management ensures that agreements are clearly defined, enforceable, and include provisions for managing disputes. This minimizes ambiguity and provides a framework for legal recourse in case of conflict. Litigation preparedness. Despite best efforts, disputes may escalate to litigation. Preparing for this possibility through contingency planning, engaging legal counsel, and maintaining comprehensive documentation can reduce the adverse impacts of legal conflicts. Governance and leadership. Strong leadership and governance structures are essential for promoting a culture of compliance. Senior management must be actively involved in risk oversight, ensuring that legal and compliance considerations are factored into strategic decision-making. Continuous improvement. The regulatory environment is dynamic, and emerging risks require adaptive strategies. Continuous review and revision of compliance protocols, informed by legal developments and industry best practices, ensure that risk management